Hello friends, in this lecture we will see contour area with trim boundary. How to use this trim boundary we will see in this lecture. So first I am going to define a tool, and this time I am going to take the diameter as 8, okay, and the tool number is 1, and want to define the holder. So go to and retrieve holder from the library, and if you will click and you want to display, so holder will display you, see, okay, and click here. So I am going to select contour area, and I am using geometry as a MCS mill because I haven't defined any workpiece, and this is my finishing operation. So here from the geometry, first I'm selecting the part, so this is the part, and surface, all these surface I want to cut, okay, except this bottom. And from the main I'm using only for non-steep, okay, and I'm going to define as 90-degree angle, and follow periphery pattern is inward and 10%. So click here, generate. This step over is 10%, that's why it is showing like this. Change this step over from 10 to 50. Now the step over is 50. See, now this is the toolpath, and this toolpath direction is from inward, so it will start from the outer and it will move inside, okay. Stop it, and if we will change it to outward, so toolpath will start from the center and it will go outside. Now I don't require this whole toolpath, I want to define any limit. For limit, just go to this geometry, and here we have this trim boundary, and my trim boundary is a curve, so I'm going to select this connected curve and click this all is a connected curve, and okay, and generate. So now this is the toolpath, inside portion will trim. If I'm going to change this trim side outside and generate, only inside it will generate the toolpath, rest it will trim. And here we can specify the plane as well. So from this infra, click here and see this is the toolpath, and drag it a little bit so that it will drop as per the plane. If the plane is at an angle, so projection of this toolpath will be changed, okay, it is something like this, okay. So no problem, I'm just reversing the direction, means I want to trim inside and generate it, okay. Now I want to create the CNC program for this operation, so click, right click here, and here we have the post process, and select the post processor as this funnel, and okay. So toolpath is, the program is like this, okay.